Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Ehlers super passband filter indicator. All right, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Okay, the Ehlers super passband filter. Here we go. Now, as you can see, this indicator is being displayed in a separate indicator window, right? And we can see that the indicator has several lines, okay? These golden colored lines are just moving, almost horizontally, right? And then we have this other multicolored line that is navigating both above and below the golden colored line. Now, you will notice that when this multicolored line crosses above the upper golden line, the color changes from purple to green, right? And then when the multicolored line crosses below the lower golden line, the color changes from purple to red. So what that means is that when the multicolored line is green in color, it shows bullish momentum, like what we can see here, right? When the color is green, it's a buy signal. When the color changes from blue to green, or rather purple to green, it's a buy signal, okay? And that is when you want to look out for potential buy opportunities. On the other hand, when the indicator line crosses below the lower golden line and changes to red, it's a sell signal. Okay, that is when you want to look out for sell opportunities. Okay, so it's a very straightforward indicator. However, I recommend trading only in the direction of the trend. All right, I recommend selling in a bearish trend and buying in a bullish trend. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.